Friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to bring a new topic, that is how to convert image, that is script, handwritten script into Excel. This image is taken from a book. Now I am going to convert into Excel. Okay, let's find. What you have to do is go to Chart GPT. Here already I went there, and here I uploaded this document. To upload, just this drag the file here. That's it. Like this, this is the way you have to drop here, right? The same way I have done. Then here I ask ChatGPT to please help me to convert image into Excel. Here the extracted data from image converted into table format suitable for Excel. They have written the data like this: bill number, date, then party name, quantity and rate. This is what it is there in the this is what exactly 10,000, 1,000, 1,200, 800, 1,300, 800, 700, 1,000. So perfectly it is right. Okay. Would you like me to provide you with actual Excel download? Yes, I need to download this file. After asking that, it has created this file like this. Already I have downloaded that file. You can see here. What is this file? This is the file. This is the bill number, this is the date, and this is the party name. Okay. This is the way you can convert your handwritten script into Excel. I think it is most useful for those who are willing to manual books to convert into digital. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.